Hello dear Taurians, welcome back to my channel, and this is your reading for the full moon of August 22nd, 2021. And those who are new to my channel, please know that this is your special full moon reading. This deck contains special messages from your guardian angels which will tell me your emotions around this time, and also the messages that you need to hear which will help you get through whatever that is that you're going through. Okay, I'll select two cards from this deck randomly. So I'll pick this one, the Angel of Goodwill, and I'll pick this one, the Angel of Prosperity. Right, let's see, you have got the Angel of Goodwill and the Angel of Prosperity. So let's see what's going on in your life. Angels are asking you, are you envious of someone else's good fortune? Are others jealous of you? So I believe you are surrounded by people who are jealous of you, or either you are jealous of somebody. Maybe somebody is traveling and you're not getting to travel. Maybe they got a promotion, you did not get a promotion. Maybe they're earning better than you. You know, something is there on your mind. It's saying replace jealousy with happiness for another's good fortune. Blessings are being received all around. Anyone can create the same blessings with true and pure intention. It's up to you. So maybe you're not happy with the way someone's life is going and you're trying to bring them down in some way or the other, which is not nice. Taurians, you need to stop doing that, because the angels are saying that even you can achieve all that success and happiness with your pure intentions. So if you really want that to happen, please have pure intentions. Okay, and if you're finding it difficult to not think about somebody's success and be happy about it, instead you're being angry and agitated and you want to bring them down, if you're having that sort of negativity around this time, then the angel has some positive affirmations for you which will help you out. The positive affirmation is, I am sincerely happy for the blessings in the lives of others. It brings me great joy to see others experiencing happiness. I extend blessings and goodwill to all. I am grateful for other people's good fortune. This is what you need to do. Praise everybody, give them good vibes, just don't kind of feel jealousy of any sort. Now we get to the Angel of Prosperity, which is asking you, are you embarking on a new venture? Do you wish to increase your financial security? So definitely I feel that this has more to do with your career life, with how your life is going, how your financial situation is. That's causing you a lot of jealousy, because you definitely want to improve your finances desperately, and we all need to, but we still don't need to find bad ways of getting ahead, bad means to get ahead or bring somebody down. We don't need to do that, Taurians. The angel is saying, trust that you have the ability to be successful and prosperous. Activate your inner entrepreneur, believe in yourself, and you will reach your goals. So definitely you are not somewhere believing in yourself, and that is why you're trying to bring other people down or being jealous. You have to believe that you can do it, right? You don't have to be jealous, because you can also achieve all those things. Maybe not now, but in due time you will. Everybody has different destiny, everybody has a different timing, so do not compare your timing. Your timing is yours. And if that's hard for you, the positive affirmation for you from the Angel of Prosperity is, I am blessed with abundance. I am successful in all of my pursuits. My actions come from a loving place and have beneficial results for myself and others. I am fortunate. I appreciate and enjoy my prosperity. Beautiful, right? Stop being jealous, and that's what your message is. If you want to increase your financial security, just be happy for them. Be happy. Say, oh wow, you got that job, oh wow, you got that promotion. Some people are even I'm sorry, tied up in very small things which don't even matter, like how many followers do you have on Instagram, stuff like that. And that's actually, and I'm not kidding, that's actually causing people a lot of problem and jealousy from their friends and all, who have become influencers and you don't have that kind of followers, you know, so that's also causing a lot of jealousy amongst friends. That's what I've been noticing. So please guys, just be happy for your friends. Their followers are increasing, they're getting popularity, blah blah blah. Just be happy, and that's how you'll attract more. Okay, that's the tip for you guys. So I hope this reading helped. You guys take care of yourself, and I will see you soon. Bye bye.